The pharmaceutical company Pfizer made some big news in the race toward a COVID-19 vaccine. Researchers say their treatment is up to 90% effective. Tonight, our Hallie Jones talks with experts about what that means for the Brazos Valley.
As coronavirus cases continue to rise here locally and across much of the U.S., a promising development on the vaccine front. Monday, Pfizer announcing its trial drug is 90% effective.
It was good news for sure. It was very encouraging news. The initial indications that the effectiveness was going to be around 90%. That's far higher than the thresholds that were being set by the federal government at which they would approve a vaccine.
Pfizer is just one of many pharmaceutical companies that are currently developing a vaccine. While they are the first to announce interim data, scientists feel this is positive news for all clinical trials involving COVID-19 vaccine development.
It's an optimistic news in the sense that I don't think really the intent here is to have a competition. I mean, we all want to see COVID-19 vaccines rolled out safely with a very, good understanding of their efficacy. And as you know, we will need more than one vaccine.
This interim analysis looked at 94 infections recorded so far in a study that has enrolled nearly 44,000 people in the U.S. and 5 other countries.
We have to be very careful because it's in a very small subset. It's an interim time point. And as you proceed with the study, that number may not hold. The good news is that at least we see that there is a good percentage. Now we're going to have to see whether 90% is going to be supported in the long run.
Monday, a lot of conversation around the timing of Pfizer's announcement coming less than a week after Election Day.
This is the conspiracy that everybody's been talking about. We'll have a vaccine immediately after Election Day, no matter who wins. And so, sure, you can argue that it's just convenient timing. But at the same time, I mean, I'm going to look at the fact that as cases are rising, they're starting to get ahead of it and say, hey, we almost have a vaccine. In a way, it's perfect timing. It is perfect timing.
While Pfizer's announcement puts the drug developer on track to apply later this month for emergency use approval from the FDA, it will very well be early 2001 until the average American sees a vaccine.
I still believe that most likely, you and I, most likely we won't see any vaccine being rolled out soon, because it most likely will be proposed as a vaccine that will be used for very targeted populations.
Scientists stressing there will be need for more than one vaccine as other clinical trials are still underway. Reporting in Bryan, Hallie Jones, 25 News.